The menstrual cycle is the cyclic changes that the endometrium or mucosa of the uterus goes through month after month as it responds to changes in the levels of ovarian hormones in the blood. There are 3 stages to the menstrual cycle. Days 1 through 5, which is the menstrual phase, is the superficial functional layer of the thick endometrial lining of the uterus is detaching from the uterine wall. This is about 3 to 5 days of bleeding, and by day 5, more estrogen is being produced. In phase 2, the proliferative phase, which is days 6 through 14, it is stimulated by rising estrogen levels. The basal layer of the endometrium regenerates the functional layer, and glands form in it, and the endometrial blood supply increases. In the 3rd stage, the secretory phase, days 15 through 28, rising levels of progesterone increase blood supply of the endometrium even more. It also causes glands to increase in size and begins secreting nutrients for the potential embryo. In the graphs shown, you can see how right here is where the menstrual cycle begins, when the woman starts to flush everything out, and as it slowly starts to rise, this is where the uterus gets prepared for the next embryo or the potential embryo. So right here is where ovulation is, which is the high point when a woman should try and get pregnant. And then right around here is when the uterus is ready for the embryo, and right before the menstrual cycle begins. You can see the drop as it begins to start over and flush again.